Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we are going to be making some amazing chocolate chip cookies. For today's recipe, we're going to need a half a cup of brown sugar, that is 140 grams. We'll also need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 150 grams. 1 cup of chocolate chips, 200 grams. A quarter cup of granulated white sugar, 50 grams. A half a cup of salted butter, 115 grams. A half a teaspoon of baking soda, 3 grams. A half a teaspoon of salt, 3 grams. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 5 grams. And our last ingredient, 1 large egg. Into a large bowl, I'll put my butter, and my butter is soft, and then I'm going to add in my brown sugar, my white granulated sugar, and a little bit of salt. We'll get our mixer going, and I want to cream all of this together. And you may have noticed that even though I am using salted butter, I am using a little bit of extra salt. So I want to cream this until well combined. And then I'm going to add in my egg, which is going to help with the creaming process. And once you add your egg in, you'll notice how quickly it really comes together. And then we'll add in our pure vanilla extract, and we'll mix that in. And if you're on Facebook, please check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. And then I'll take my all-purpose flour, add in the little bit of baking soda, and then we will sift that into the batter. And then on a slow speed on your mixer, you just want to incorporate all of the ingredients. Once that's done, our last step is to add in the chocolate chips and just give that a very fast stir. And that's it with the recipe. And we are ready to scoop it out and put it onto our tray. At this point, you want to have your oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 190 degrees Celsius. I'm using a silicone baking mat, which makes things really easy. If you don't use a baking mat, you can also use parchment paper, which is also called baking paper. So I'll just scoop those out, and then I'm going to pop these into my oven for 9 minutes, 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. And here we go. There is the first batch. And then again with all of the cookies that this recipe created. And this recipe makes a total of 22 cookies. And of course, to finish off my video, let's break into one. These are amazing. And one thing I should mention, these cookies stay really chewy even many days later. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really good. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. And remember, every recipe you see here on my YouTube channel is also on my Facebook page. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.